Man, just analyze, bro. Look at, bro, my car has never looked like this ever in my life, dog. What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C when we back at it, bro, with another slight video, man. So look, in present day time, y'all, it's today's date, June 22nd, you hear me? I'm settled into my apartment, man, as y'all can see. Got the desk and all that stuff back there, you know, work area. I didn't make a video for this, I didn't make an intro for this video, y'all. So this video basically is just gonna be me taking delivery of my car in Colorado. Like I said, y'all, in my last video, it took about 4.5 weeks, y'all, just to get in. All right, 4.5 weeks. So look, bear with me, man. I'm gonna take y'all through the whole process of me leaving Hawaii, going to whatever these different states. And yeah, it's gonna be a kind of sort of long vlog, but look, stay with me, man. I'm in it for the adventure. I hope y'all are too, you hear me? I was just glad to finally get the car, man. So look, y'all new to the channel, baby, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man, all that for your boy, bro. I got a big announcement, kind of, sort of, later on. So look, stay tuned, man. I'll holla at y'all, baby. Just landed in Denver, man. Got another flight to Colorado Springs. So yeah, right now, y'all, it's the 7th. Yeah, it's the 7th right now. You got people rushing to their flights and stuff. I got another 2 hours for my flight go to Colorado Springs, man. So yeah, I'm just blessed, y'all. We left Hawaii to Denver, Colorado Springs, baby. So let's get to it, bro. CEEFAM, just now got to Colorado Springs, man. It's the 7th right now, 10:40 in the morning in Colorado Springs, dog. Finna get my baggage, you know. Already got the rental car and Enterprise. Shout out USAA, baby. Yeah, y'all. So the flights, man, really wasn't that bad. The flight from Hawaii to Denver was probably like, what, 6 to 8 hours? Went by quick though, man. Quick. Took a little nap, you know, like slight nap. Ate a couple snacks, you know. Had like a 2-hour layover from Denver on to Colorado Springs. Got on the flight like 9:55. Got here like 10:30, so probably like a 30-40 minute flight, if that. So yeah, man, I'm just over here waiting for the bags. Finna go check in at Fort Carson, y'all. And just, yeah, man, I don't know, just want to bring y'all along on a journey right quick, just so y'all can experience it too with me, you know. So yeah, finna get the bags, get my rental car, check in on base right quick, man. See what's up with them boys. And yeah, so I'll holla at y'all, man. Damn, so just got on the base, man. Finna go check in to my in-processing little station or whatever, bro. Look at the views, man. So in some parts, y'all, like, y'all can actually see snow on top of the mountains, which is crazy, dog. All right, so just wanted to give y'all a little overview, man, of like what I'm gonna be dealing with. This is obviously not the whole base, man. I never really got to see the whole base. Like I said, I'm just checking in, y'all. Military type thing. You gotta in process, right? Check in and all that. The base is really beautiful though, man. Really, really beautiful. Like I said, I'm in the hoopty, man. You know, we all riding in the hoopty now, y'all, until the Redeye comes in, y'all. So should be like 2 to 3 weeks. I won't be missing the damn Redeye, but it is what it is. Got the Nissan Versa for the win, man. Gas out here, y'all, I think 87 is like 290 or something like that, y'all. But that's on base, right? So I don't know what it is off base. But yeah, man, just stay tuned, bro. Sheesh. All right, CEEFAM. So just now got to my replacement barracks, bro. This is where I'm gonna be living at, like, for, I don't know, probably until like Wednesday or Thursday or so. And then I'm gonna try to find me somewhere to live. But yeah, come in here, y'all. This really ain't bad. Come in here, got your little slight refrigerator, little sink, you know, microwave. Yo, this straight, this big, to be honest. For one person, shit, I rock with it, man. Yes, sir, it's your boy C Will in this thing, man. Boom, shower curtain already. It ain't the cleanest now, don't get me wrong, goddamn. Lights ain't the best either, man, but whoa, look at that. Look at that, that's crazy. But yeah, man, you come in this bit, boom. Got a closet. The light don't work in here, but
It's alright, y'all. I'll make do. This thing big though. If they told me I had to stay in here, y'all, the whole time, I'd be straight. This thing is big though, y'all. Slick. Got a bed for one. Got your desk right here. Edit my videos. Now keep in mind, like I said, y'all, this right here is just temporary, you know, living conditions for me. I have to end process in my unit, right? Do all this blah stuff. Then I get to pick, you know, where I want to live and blah, blah, blah. So I'm house hunting now as we speak. I'm in the works for getting a place now, you know. So today is Friday the 7th. As y'all can see, Friday the 7th, man. So yeah, that's how I'm living, y'all. If you, I guess, single, or if you married probably and your spouse is staying somewhere else or whatever, or if you're like an E6 and up, this is how you're gonna live whenever you first get to Fort Carson, Colorado. All right, I can't speak for every base, y'all, because every base living conditions is different. All right, but speaking for me and me only, this is how I'm living, y'all. Staff sergeant in the military. All right, so all right, y'all, so I just now got to the Denver Vehicle and Processing Center, man. I'm up here in Aurora. Shout out my Uber driver Grace, man. My first time really taking an Uber to like somewhere far. So yeah, man, finna get the car, y'all. I actually see the car. I don't know if y'all see that thing right there. So I see the car, man. We finna go in here, do this paperwork and stuff, dog. I'm excited, y'all. It's been like 3 to 4 weeks. It's been crazy, y'all. Like, it has been insane, and I see it right there. So thank you, that's right there. So yeah, y'all, definitely a great time for me. I've been looking forward to this, y'all, for a minute, man. Been looking forward to it, y'all. So hey, we finna get to it, bro, for real.
There's no new major damage. As long as there's no new major damage, you'll sign my paper, we'll make you a copy, we'll get you out of here. Okay,
all right, man, that's too easy, man. Cool. I'll just do like a quick 360 walk around, everything, man. Show my freaking YouTube family, man, the car. Jeez, y'all, it's been 4 weeks. So as y'all see, man, the car is dirty, y'all. It is what it is, right? You know, it had to travel from Hawaii to San Diego, then it had to go from a truck San Diego to Denver. So yeah, we have the car, man. I'm just doing a little inspection, a little walk around, right? You know, yeah, it does look dusty, man. Whew, I need to go to the wash, but I mean, everything seems to look good on it though, although it's dirty, y'all. Like, I know what was wrong with it before, so I don't see nothing too crazy, man. I just see a bunch of dirt and dust and blah, blah, blah. So it is what it is. Go to the car wash, man.
Yeah, it's hard to keep it clean when you come from the other side of the world.
Yeah, I know, man. I mean, other side of the damn ocean, man. Like, you know, I was all the way across the damn Pacific, whatever ocean it was. Shit, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, everything looks pretty good, y'all. Let me open it up. Oh, still clean on the inside. Yeah, everything is good, man. I know we still in like valet mode, y'all, for sure. I know we still in valet, so. Huh? What happened?
I was like, it's on the other side of the earth.
Yeah. Hawaii is pretty far, brother, so I know that for sure, man. Let me pop the trunk. I know we got some stuff in here, man. Yeah, I think I got my mats in here, I think. But it's all good though, y'all. I ain't even tripping too much on it. But yeah, y'all, this is literally the first look at the car, man. Like I said, it is dirty as hell, but at least we got it back, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I had shipped this car, what, May 5th or May 6th? It's currently June 2nd, y'all, and the car just got here. All right, so yeah, everything looked good though, y'all. Like I said, it's dirty because it's coming from Hawaii, right? Had to travel, I had to do all that stuff. So I'm gonna definitely go to a car wash, man. Spend about $20 washing this thing off, man. So yeah, this is just the first look at it though, y'all. First look at my baby. The rim's still clean, of the wheels. All right, yeah, I don't want to have to come back here. It's kind of far, boss. Yeah, so no. I don't want to have to come back. So
if you do find anything, is what you would do is you would take it to a shop and get an estimate, and then you would send the estimate over to the Denver VPC within 48 hours.
Oof. Okay. Geez, 48 hours. Okay, so that's like by Friday. Okay, bet. I got you. All right, man. That's too easy, man. I'll sign on the dotted line. So yeah, y'all, look, man, we finally got the car back, y'all. Man, I'm happy, bro. I was paying $30 a day on a rental. You hear me? $30 a day on the rental. Oh my God, bro. It's insane, $30 a day. But it's all good though, y'all. I'm just blessed that I could have this car back. I'm blessed that, you know, man, we back in business, y'all, for sure. Back in business. So I'm just waiting on my boy Steven, man. He's making me the copy that I just signed in my paperwork. And then look, I'm gonna give y'all the first cold start, man. I guess cold start. You know, like I said, the car was in valet mode, still at like 2,000 or so miles. So you know, not much has been done to it, man. So look, stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. All right, appreciate it, boss. Yeah, so in the box, man, you got my stuff in here, you know, got my mats and stuff, man. Take the box. Oh, all right, you good to go, brother? Yeah, that's too easy, man. Boy said they need all the boxes they can get, huh? I'm already knowing, man. I already know. Well, all right, brother. Hey, I appreciate you once again for sure, man. Thank you. Yes, sir. All right, yeah, y'all. We finna just put them. All right, now we finna just put the mats back in, y'all, just to get this thing back looking right. SRT mats, man. So that's it, y'all. After that, I'm gonna get y'all a little cold start, you hear me? And then we gonna get to it, man. This is lit, bro. Although my car is dirty as hell, y'all, it's lit, man. It's lit. All right, CEEFAM. So just finished talking to my guy Steven, man. He's pretty cool, you know. So we about to do the first startup, bro. So I initially had gave them the black key, y'all. Let me show y'all a little something, man. I gave them the black key, y'all. It was on, like, you see. So this the key they had, dog. Yeah, I gave them the black key type. I ain't trying to let them have all the horsepower and blah blah blah, right? The car is still in valet mode. I never started it up yet. I wanted to wait till y'all get a startup. You know, I'm not selfish, nothing like that, CEEFAM. I really miss y'all, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all, you know. So look, man, we finna get this first start up. I hope that the red key worked. It hasn't been paired with the car in about 3-4 weeks, which I don't think that'll really matter. We sitting in like a quarter of a tank, y'all, so we should be okay on gas. I know I gotta fill up before I go back to Colorado Springs, but let's get to it, man. Oh yeah, that bit worked. Oh yeah. Yeah, y'all, this thing sound good, bro, for real. Yes, sir. We in this thing, man. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm blessed. All right, y'all. So we inside the car right now, man. As y'all see, bro, we did ship the car in valet mode. Like I said, y'all, listen, valet mode is just to ensure people don't go over no crazy speeds, right? I'm not sure what speed valet mode limits the car to, if it even limits it at all. But I do know that, like, people can't really go on joy rides. People can't, you know what I'm saying, push the car to its maximum potential. People can't, you know what I'm saying? So it just limits all that, and it definitely protects your car, protects you, well, your contents, your sanity, knowing that people ain't going crazy on your car. All right, so as y'all see this right here, valet mode active, press here to exit. So I'm assuming I'm gonna press this, and then like it's gonna take me to my code. All right, hold on, boy, let me put my code in. I think I know that bit by heart. Boom, valet mode deactivated, CEEFAM. Now I got the full mook. Now I can goddamn put that bit twice. Come on, man. And we in there like swimwear. If you ever want to go back to valet mode, y'all, see that? Boom, just hit valet. Oh, hold on, boy. Hit valet in the valet mode. But yeah, we want to stay out of valet mode. This time I'm driving the car all the way home. Well, I don't know, y'all. I might put that bit in eco all the way back to the crib, man. So whenever you ship your car and whenever you pick up your car, y'all, it is going to be at a quarter of a tank, y'all. So I'm going to go to a good gas station, man, fill up. Gas out here is kind of similar to what it was in Hawaii, low key. It's a little bit cheaper, but it ain't all that cheap. All right, so we're gonna go to a gas station, man, fill up, see how much the Redeye take on gas out here in Colorado Springs or Colorado. I'm almost by Denver right now, so just gonna see how much gas it takes, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there, man. Definitely might hit a car wash. Not might, need to hit a car wash today, because this bit is spickety spackety filthy, goddamn. I never seen my car this dirty, or any car I've ever owned, y'all, this dirty, even from the inside. I'm just like, good God, son. But yeah, hey, let's get to it, man. All right, y'all, so currently, man, we finna put gas in the whip, dog. I guess out here they only have 91 for their premium, so gas right now is $3.35, man. So remove nozzle, put that 91, bro. That's all they got out there, so we finna get to it, man. So I think gas in Hawaii was like $3.70 or $3.80, something like that, y'all. So like I said, bro, we finna get to it, bro. I'm at like a quarter of a tank, so we'll see, man. I don't know. Yeah, y'all, the car is filthy. I tried to like clean at least the back windshield and stuff, man. And the sides, this is horrible, dog. Horrible, man. So yeah, after this, bro, I'm gonna go to a car wash, y'all. Man, just analyze, bro. Look at, bro, my car has never looked like this ever in my life, dog. Like, I'm embarrassed even driving my car. Unfortunately, you know, kind of embarrassing, but yeah, man, it is what it is, though. We finna get to it. We have 15 right now.
It's usually, I'd say, like anywhere between 50 to 60 to fill up this car. All right, so we're gonna see where it's at. Like I said, gas is significantly cheaper, probably about like 30 cents. You know, going from Hawaii. I think Hawaii right now is like 380 something, 384. So we had 335 out here in Colorado. So, you know, yeah, we already at 7 gallons. So I'm thinking maybe $40 max, maybe. But we'll see, man. You know, save me some money out here, man. So we shall see. All right, so from a quarter of a tank, yo, we have $49, man. Almost 15 gallons. So yeah, this thing gonna be drinking gas, boy. Drinking gas, but it is what it is, bro. I already know what I signed up for, you hear me? So ain't nothing too crazy, you know. It is what it is. I ain't even tripping, man. Sheesh. Big boy talk, man. Let's go to a car wash now, bro. My stuff is filthy. All right, y'all. So we just got to a little local car wash, man. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty solid. Free vacuums and stuff. You boy don't need a vacuum. I'm good, man. You know, got the car in neutral, baby. So like I said, bro, I just want to get all this damn nasty dirt off the whip, man. I'm gonna show y'all how the whip look afterwards, you know. But yeah, man, like the car was just embarrassing to drive, bro. Like you can't have a Redeye and your car looking brown, goddamn. Well, my car was white. That bit was brown on the outside, y'all. So yeah, I just need all that dirt off, all those contaminants off, man. Like I said, it was on a ship at first, coming from Hawaii, right? Then it went from a ship to a damn 18-wheeler with however many other cars was on there, right? So yeah, man, like it's definitely doing the job, man. Like definitely getting right out here. I'll tell you that much, man. So much needed. Like I said, nothing too crazy, man. A little $12 wash, man, just to get the dirt and stuff off. I usually don't come to these. You know, it's not really my thing to come to these, man. I don't want to mess up my paint. These things is hitting too. Look, it's hitting, boy. So. But yeah, it's definitely working, man. So boy is definitely in here, bro. It feels good to be back in the whip, man. Like I said, y'all, I've been gone from y'all at least 4 weeks, you heard me? So it's crazy, dog. But yeah, we finna get back to it, man. Shee. Oh yeah, so just now got out the car wash, y'all. The car is somewhat, you know, shook back to life, you heard me? I ain't gonna hold y'all. Now it ain't clean like how I clean it, you know, like the wheels still got a little dirt on them and stuff, man. But for $12, man, shit, the car look a lot better than what it did. You know, sorry for the wind noise, man. This is on my phone, if there's wind noise, man, you know. But yeah, y'all, like see, I gotta register my car now and all that. So but yeah, this thing look good still, man. No complaints, you know. For $12, bro, you can't really beat this. Cannot really beat this, man. So now I'm finna head back, finna drive from Denver all the way to Colorado Springs, man. We got like an hour 15-minute drive, but with this, I might make it in like 50 minutes, goddamn. So yeah, look, let's get to it, man. Your boy she will. Look, man, your boy had to pull over, y'all. Stop and got some Wendy's right quick, man. It's easy work right here, bro. $5 biggie bag, bro. Get you some fries. Just a nice little, what is it, double stack. And you get you 4 nuggets for $5? Come on, man. How can you pass that up with a big light strawberry lemonade with light ice, man? Look, anytime y'all get a drink, bro, make sure y'all get light ice, all right? Places these days, bro, they fill up the cup with half ice and then they give you half drink. Nah, come on, man. That big get full quick, man. I need light ice, more drink. Come on, man. Y'all know the vibes, man. But y'all, look, we about to, let me hit home. Oh, hold on, boy. I can't let y'all see everything, man. Y'all boys might come stuck. But yeah, so we got hour and 14-minute drive. I'm finna eat, y'all, and then we finna get on the road, man. It's easy, bro. Let's get to it, man.